Hi guys and welcome back. So for today's video I decided to film a makeup tutorial inspired by this Lipa look. I really like it. It's really, like festival, summery kind of look. It's very easy to do and it looks very fresh, and I like her makeup in general because she has always a very fresh face, and even if she, is doing a little bit, I don't know, maybe something a bit more crazy on the eyes or on the lips, it's always really fresh looking. So it's definitely my kind of makeup. So I'll start right now with my Onomie Bright Concealing Elixir. So this is like a 2-in-1 kind of product because it's an elixir for the eyes plus has some concealer properties, so it will, correct a little bit all the discoloration. Now to set everything I will use my Physicians Formula sculpting palette, and I will take this shade with my big Zoeva brush. This is a 222 brush. It's really nice to apply this, the powder or any kind of eye base eyeshadow. Now to create this black graphic liner I will use my Inglot 77, and this is my J007HS Hakuhodo brush. This is my all-time favorite eyeliner brush. Okay guys, and I think this is it. She has very kind of like straight lines, not really a just winged up kind of eyeliner, so I tried to make them a little bit straighter, and also I corrected a little bit the lines because I went a little bit overboard doing some Amy Winehouse kind of line, so yeah, I had to make them a bit smaller. And now for the yellow part I will use my Makeup Forever. This is the Aqua XL cream paint, and this is in M40. I also mixed a little bit of my Conceal for Makeup Forever because this just makes the cream paint a bit more, not liquidy, but more manageable because this sets very fast, so this way I have more time to work with the product. The color is not perfect because Duo has more of a brighter yellow color, but this is the yellows I have right now, so I will work with what I have. Now she has one big line here. I'm trying to make this a bit up, not really like in the crease. And now we just have to do this, the wing liner. Now for complexion, she has a very natural, radiant kind of look, so not a lot of blush, just a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of contour. So I'll start with my Cinema Secrets Correct and Conceal palette, and I will use this peachy shade that I love to brighten my under eyes. And I like to use this one before the foundation, and I'm really just melting the product. So I'm applying a little bit in here so that my under eyes look more fresh, and it basically conceals any kind of discoloration that I have in there. Now for the rest of my face I will use the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric and the Iconic London Illuminator. And I'm mixing these because I really like this foundation, but I want it to be a bit more dewy and luminous. And this Iconic highlighter is doing a great job with that, so I'm trying to mix these two. And then I will just apply this all over. And then I will try to blend it with my beauty blender. Also, this illuminator makes the foundation a little bit more just thin. And I really like that. Not as heavy, because Power Fabric is quite a heavy foundation. And now I will add on my T-zone a little bit of Mercier translucent setting powder, because this is very, very radiant and it will not set this foundation, especially if I mix it with, you know, the illuminator. So I just need to apply some powder in here. Just on my T-zone. Okay, now I will just do my eyebrows, and I'm using my Makeup Forever brow gel in clear to brush them up, and then I will just use a little bit of, and then I will use just a little bit of my Missha 7 Days brow tattoo liner, just to, you know, draw a little hair-like strokes. Okay, and now I will finish the eyes. I'm using my Makeup Forever Smoky Lash mascara, and then I will just apply some false lashes. And these are the lashes that I chose. She definitely has more natural lashes, but I guess this is my touch. And I will also apply some mascara on my bottom eyelashes, because she has only mascara there. They're quite like spiky, so they filled with mascara. Now inside the eye, I will use a little bit of my super slim eye pencil. This is from Innisfree, and it's just like a nudie, so, but it's very similar to my skin tone. Just for a little bit of sculpting and bronzing, I will use this middle shade from my Physicians Formula sculpting palette, just to add a little bit of definition. And then I will blend it really, really well. Now as a highlighter, I will use my Japonesque highlighter, which is like a gradient, but it's still quite light. This is the Kumadori Ombre highlighter. Okay, now for my lips, I will use the Deck of Scarlet lip gloss. This is really, really beautiful and has a lot of shimmer, but it looks really nice on the lips. Very glossy. And she definitely has a gloss on. And again, I want like a natural color.